Hi guys, welcome to a new video series on the Microsoft AZ-900 exam. So this video, I'm going to be talking about the shared responsibility model. So when we look at our cloud service models, we have the SaaS model, software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and on-prem as a service. Now, when it comes to the on-prem, this means all the responsibility from the physical infrastructure to the application to the data is all on the consumer there, on the customer. But when it comes to infrastructure as a service, we start to see that Microsoft or whoever the cloud provider is starts to take on some of the responsibility. So here is just for the physical host, network, and data center. But then this increases later on as we move on to platform as a service, and this is more of a kind of center ground between responsibility on the customer and responsibility on the provider, cloud provider. So we see here that the cloud provider has now shared responsibility of identity and directory infrastructure, applications, and network controls. Then we move on to software as a service. This puts more responsibility on the cloud provider, in this case Microsoft, and the customer has the least responsibility here. So we can see as we move from on-prem to IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, that's what we call these as an abbreviation, we see that more responsibility is being put on Microsoft, whoever the cloud provider is. So we see now with software as a solution, Microsoft have taken responsibility for the physical host, network, and data center. Then they also take on full responsibility for the applications, the network's controls, and the operating system. And there's now shared responsibility between identity and directory infrastructure. So what does the consumer manage then? What does the customer have responsibility of? Information and data, devices and the account and identities, and shared responsibility of identity and directory infrastructure. And that's it. Now it's the rest of the responsibilities now below is on Microsoft. So this is the shared responsibility model. And this is a very, very important part of the Microsoft AZ-900 exam. Thank you for watching.